Welcome, guys. I got my drone DJI Mini 4 Pro, तो सोचा आप लोगों के साथ अनबॉक्सिंग करके देखूं। So inside the box we've got another bag. So this looks like a foam bag. So let's unzip it. देखते हैं अंदर क्या क्या है. So this is the RC controller. So pretty sturdy. Really looks like good built quality. So these are screws to put on. Screw it here और ये बन जाएगा आपका joysticks. So here it is, it's ready. The RC controller is ready. अब देखते हैं अंदर और क्या है. Okay, this one is I think the battery pack. So एक बैटरी तो ड्रोन पे लगा हुआ है and you get 2 more batteries. Each battery gives at least 30 minutes of flight time. So this is our main drone. So I have to extend the legs. The first 2 I think slide करना है. अच्छा पहले belt I have to remove. So slide sideways. Okay, खुल गया है. So this one, why it's not coming? Okay, it's supposed to be taken out. Perpendicularly 90 degree पे bend करके निकालना है. Otherwise टूट ही जाता है अभी. Take off the camera lid. So it's ready now. So friends, these are some night shots I just tried with my friend. तो आप देख लीजिए the clarity. So night time, although it has got obstacle sensors, लेकिन sometimes it really fails, it seems, as I've seen in reviews. So just trying a safe drone shot. So this view is around my house. This is D sector Naharlagun. Night time you can see the D sector. You can see up to the Papunala, those lights. So friends, this is a daytime shot taken by my friend. We took it at Sejosa. तो ये जो greenery आप देख रहे हैं, it's the all rubber plantation. It really, the view you can see, it's so nice to see the greenery all over. So it's going to be a new experience. मैं आने वाले like my rides with my friends, I will definitely try कि we take some good drone shots and share with you. So till that time, please hold on and enjoy this blog. Thank you everyone. Keep supporting. Thank you.